Meaning of grating.
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 Grating. The word grating can have a few different meanings depending on the context. Generally, it refers to something that is irritating or unpleasant to the senses, usually sound or touch. For example, a grating sound could refer to a harsh or discordant noise, while a grating sensation might describe something that feels rough or abrasive. In some cases, grating can also refer to a type of metal grid used as a barrier or for ventilation. Overall, grating conveys a sense of discomfort or annoyance.